Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm gonna be showing you an indicator that can give you 100% profit if you apply risk management. Okay, so this indicator, I'm gonna be showing you the step-by-step process of how you can use this indicator with technical analysis. Okay, I won't just advise you guys to trade only with indicators. So I'm just gonna add technical analysis to this indicator and we'll be 100% profitable if we apply risk management. So I'm gonna be showing you guys in a few minutes. So the name of the indicator is, let's browse it here. Let's say bottom. Okay, as you guys can see, bottom ups W buy and sell alert by Philip Chips. Okay, we click on it, so it has been added. As you can see, it has been added. So this indicator, I think, is actually the same thing on each time frame, the same analysis on each time frame. So as you can see on this place, it asks us to go for short. As you can see here, you can see this sign here give us an opportunity to go for short, and you can see how the market drop all the way down, and it's still dropping. As you can notice, it's still dropping. There was no signal to go buy or go short. Okay, as you can see, it's still dropping. Okay, you can see it's still dropping, and there's no signal to go buy or go short. So that's how this the indicator works. So now, for you to confirm when to go short or when to go long, okay, you want to wait for price to break the support low, okay, and pull back. As you can see, we are applying risk management to this. We are applying risk management, so we want this. That's giving us short entry here, so we want to wait and see price break the support zone and then pull back. Okay, we want to see price break the support zone and pull back, then we can get our entry. Okay, you can see we'll be getting our entry here. All right, guys, then set a stop loss above. Okay, you guys understand? So we are setting our stop loss above and wait for this indicator to give us another buy or sell signal. Do you guys understand? That's how we set our take profit. So we keep on holding, or you can take some partial profit and lock it up. So, and again here, the same thing, give us another buy signal. Okay, give us another buy signal. You want to wait for price break this place. Okay, sometimes you don't need to wait for pullback, and sometimes you can wait for pullback. It's still the same. So if you cannot wait for pullback, just go for the trade. Okay, set a stop loss. Sorry, so you can just go for buy here. Stop loss here below, then go for buy. Okay, so that's how the strategy work. You apply your own technical analysis to it and make profit off the market. So let's see another more opportunity. Okay, so I don't take this one give us small profit and start going back up. So like I said, you should apply risk management and also technical analysis to it. Okay, you can see this one long. This one is a nice profit, like this indicator. You can see, that's what I'm saying, guys. See this long Wow, go for your buy, see set a stop loss at this low. Then what are you waiting for, guys? See these mad people that you guys can, you know, just wait for another sell or buy signal before you take a profit. Then take partial and let the rest keep on running. So yeah, that's how the strategy works. And if you like this video, subscribe for more strategy like this. And don't forget to share my video and comment if you have any question. Okay, so guys, subscribe and good luck.